Hi guys, welcome. This is Anthony, like VSHRED trainer. Today I would like to show you one of the recipe to make protein cake. So when you get tired to eat just like a protein shake and all that, it's an easy way to use your microwave and to do kind of like a little dessert and very flavorful, depending on like which protein you use. So I'm gonna use a Scoop Nation like vanilla one, but you can use like the chocolate one, anything you like. So let's go. So 1 scoop of protein, 1 tablespoon of coconut flavor, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, half tablespoon of cacao, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 egg. I'm gonna whisk the egg by himself, add all the dry on it, and add 1/4 cup of like almond milk and mix together. Awesome. I'm just gonna add some sliced almond for the flavor. You can add any nuts of your choice. So now I'm gonna add the mix in a mug. You can put, or any container you can put in the microwave.